Welcome to the National Weather Service Spokane's weekly weather briefing for Monday, March 2nd, 2015. Here is the overview of the upcoming week. Tonight and Tuesday we'll see 1 to 5 inches of snow in the Idaho Panhandle and 40 plus miles per hour wind gusts in the Okanagan Valley and 30 plus along the lee side of the Cascades. Freezing temperatures overnight could freeze moisture on road surfaces. A warming trend is expected this week. Temperatures expected to swing from 7 degrees below normal to 7 plus degrees above normal. A possible system on Friday will bring light snow to the areas above 4,000 feet along the Canadian border and Idaho Panhandle. For next week, a warm and dry start with possible midweek system bring cooler air for the end of the week. Here is a current satellite image. As the cold front continues to push through the Idaho Panhandle, light snowfall is expected through the overnight period. High pressure will move into the northern California, bringing a ridge pattern into the inland northwest. This will push the jet stream into central British Columbia and bring a warm, drying trend to the region for the rest of the week. Here is the estimated snowfall amounts through tomorrow morning, with the bulk of the snow falling tonight. Freezing temperatures overnight could freeze moisture on road surfaces. Here are the estimated wind gusts through tomorrow morning. The winds will be at their peak around 5 to 8 this evening before slacking off Tuesday afternoon. The next couple of slides display the temperature changes expected from Tuesday to Sunday. Here are the forecasted highs for Tuesday. Here are the forecasted highs for Sunday. The 8 to 14 day outlook for calls for above normal temperatures and generally above normal precipitation with the oncoming system during the middle of the week. Impacts this upcoming week will be fairly minimal. For tonight through Tuesday morning, areas of blowing dust around the lee side of Cascades and light snow accumulations on roadways above 3,000 feet in Idaho are expected. Freezing temperatures overnight could freeze moisture on road surfaces. For Tuesday through Sunday, outside of the possible system on Friday, no impacts expected. The Friday system could bring light snow accumulations in areas above 4,000 feet for northern Washington and Idaho Panhandle. For next week, no impacts expected for the beginning of the week. Cooler temps behind the system expected midweek. Please monitor our forecast throughout the week for updates. Check us out on Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. Thank you for tuning in to this weekly weather briefing.